Good morning, students. Hope you're all doing well. Today's Tuesday, April 21st, and I hope you all had a good Easter break and are ready to continue doing some online learning. And I just want to provide you with another tool here to check out and kind of show you where you should be and where you're at. So first thing I want to mention is that, if you want your math workbook, just send me a message on Microsoft Teams and I'll be sure to go to the school and dig it out for you and then have it dropped off for you by the end of this week. As you know, we were into chapter 6 and we should be finishing that off. So we're going to kind of focus on the outcomes for chapter 6 on polynomials this week. And again, if you have finished all the pages in chapter 6 in the Math Focus 9 book, then you should be well on your way. Also on IXL, as you can see here, all of the outcomes that I want you to work on under the suggested skills. If you look at the ones that you should be focusing on are all the polynomial ones. So you can see here polynomial vocabulary all the way down to adding and subtracting polynomials using algebra tiles. Everything down here we'll get into, and I'll actually start doing some online lessons for you and posting them into our last 2 chapters. So, if you have gotten into some of the circle geometry stuff or ratios, you are ahead of the game, so that's fantastic. All right, so I'm super happy with the progress that we've made on IXL. We've had 2,976 questions answered, and our next milestone is to 5,000, so we're on our way there. You can see there's been 33 skills mastered, 39 skills are proficient, etc. So the cool thing is I can see who's been working on what, and I see that there's been many of you that have been working on the program here. So if you can see here, Alyssa's been the last one to work away, and looks like Tia's figured out how to log in. Caitlin's been on. So a lot of students have been working away here, and that's fantastic. So tell your friends if they haven't gotten onto IXL yet to give it a shot, and they can also log into Microsoft Teams if they don't know how to get there. What else can I tell you here? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post this website on Microsoft Teams here right away. So this is directly related to your Math Focus 9 textbook and workbook, and just another area for you to practice and just see how you're doing. So if you scroll down to chapter 6 polynomials, you'll see the ones that you can actually participate in. And if you click on lesson 6.1, it'll take you to a little bit of a quiz, that multiple choice quiz, where you're to answer the questions and indicate your answer here, A, B, C, or D, and then you can go over and check your work and see how you're doing. So again, that's accessed on this website here. So chapter 6 polynomials will be finishing up this week. We'll be moving into chapter 9 circle geometry next, and then finally we'll be getting into similar polygons as our last chapter before the end of the year. I've had a few of you reaching out and asking for help, so don't be afraid to call me throughout the day on my cell phone 306-425-8832, or you can send me a message on Microsoft Teams anytime, and I'll get back to you within 20-30 minutes usually if I see that I have a message. And again, let me know if any of you want your Math Focus 9 workbook. I'll go get that to the school here this afternoon, and then they'll deliver it to your door when we know where they need to go. So I'll try to be posting a end of the week message here at the end of the day or end of the week, and I hope you're all doing well and taking care of yourself, and soon it'll turn into spring and we'll lose this snow. Okay, bye-bye.